Hi, good morning dear students. The last class we discussed about the data structure chapter. You know what is data? Data nothing but it is a collection of facts and figures. Whatever you enter to the computer, that is nothing but called data or data. Okay, that is nothing but collection of facts and figures. Facts means nothing but numbers, digits. Then figures means nothing but images. Okay, then that is called data. Then what is data structure? Data structure nothing but data types. Okay, already you discussed in first year. Okay, data structure means it is a specialized format for storing data. Okay, in systematic format. Okay, whatever you program you can write. Okay, if you want to execute any program, must and should we want a data structure. Data structure is used for what purpose? For storing data. Okay, for storing data we have to use a data structure. Your last class we discussed about this. What are the advantages of data structure? What is the use? It is used for what purpose? To utilization of memory space. It save our computer memory. Okay, by using data structure, if you write any program, it save our computer memory. Then it reduce our time taken for processing. Okay, it takes less time for any data processing. That's why we are using for mathematical formulas. If you want to write any mathematical formulas in programs, must and should we want a data structure. Okay, last class we discussed about this. Then you know the advantages. It gives an accurate result and efficiency. The programs are executed faster if you use any data structure in a program. Okay, last class we discussed about this. Then now last class we discussed about the how many classification of data structure. Data structure can be classified into two types. Data structure, it is also called DS. DS means data structure. It is classified into two types. The first one is a primitive data structure. Second one is a non-primitive data structure. See, primitive data structure is also called fundamental data types. Okay, first year already you studied. See, example for primitive data structure: int, float, char, double and pointer. Okay, these are the primitive data structure. Okay, now the non-primitive data structure. Okay, non-primitive data, there are two types of non-primitive data structure we have. One is a linear data structure, second one is a non-linear data structure. See, linear data structure. Okay, there are example for linear data structure: array. First year already you studied array, string, then a stack, queue, then a linked list. This year you have to study. Okay, array also you can study this year also. Okay, these are the example for linear data structure. Then non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure example, there are two example. One is graph and tree. These are the two examples for non-linear data structure. Okay, there are how many types? Two types of classification. Data structure can be classified into two types. This is asked for 3 marks question. Explain the classification of data structure. Okay, just you have to draw this diagram. Okay, you have to classify into two types. Okay, last class we discussed about this. Now today we have to discuss about the what are the primitive data structure, what are the operations of primitive data structure. What is primitive data structure, that you have to study. See, first, what is primitive data structure? See, primitive data structure. What is primitive data structure? So many times examination like what is meant by primitive data structure? Primitive data structure nothing but the data structure can be, see, directly operated by machine level instruction. Directly operated by machine level instruction means what? That can be understood by the compiler. Okay, these data types are understood by the compiler. You know already compiler use is to translate our high level language to machine level language. Okay, that's why, see, these always primitive data structure means what? Primitive data structure, it is data structure directly operated by machine level instruction. Machine level instruction means the machine can understand these data structure. Example for these data structures already you know: int, float, char, double. Okay, these can be understood by the machine, these can be understood by the computer, these data structure can be understood by the compiler. Okay, that is called primitive data structure. Okay, that's why in technical terms it is called as directly operated by machine level instructions. Primitive data structure always directly operated by machine level instruction, means these data structure can be understood by the machine. Okay, example for these primitive data structure is, first one is a int, second one is a float, third one is a char, double, then pointer. Okay, these are the example for a primitive data structure. Okay, already. Then what are the uses of primitive data structure? In examination 5 marks question kartane, explain the operations on primitive data structure. Okay, what are the explain the operations on primitive data structure? There are 4 operations on primitive data structure. In that, the last year in 2020 2009 2011 question na, see what are the operations involved in a primitive data structure. There are 4 operations we have. First one is a create. What is create operation? The name implies that the create operation, this operation is used to create new data. Create a new data. It is used to create a new data. How to create new data when you are writing program? How to create new data? For example, I am creating one new data. For example, int x. This is what creation. Int x means declaration of variable, nothing but creating a data. Okay, int x means 2 bytes will be allocated for this. This is called creation. Okay, what is the main use of primitive data structure? First operation is a create. Create operation. This operation used to create a new data in the data structure. Okay, then second one, destroy. Destroy means delete. Okay, it is used to remove. It is used to remove the data from the memory. Okay, after execution of program, automatically data will be released. Okay, the operating system, it release the data after a calculation, after execution of program. That is called destroy. These operations can be done by primitive data structure. Without primitive data structure, you cannot done these operations. Create means, you have to create means, example for create means int x madidare, this is create operation. Okay, idike 2 bytes allocate agirtade memory. Okay, after execution of program, the destroy operation, it delete, it remove that memory space. Okay, that is the use of destroy. Then the next one is a select. Select operation. See, select, how it is used to, this operation is used to accessing data. How to access the data in program? By using cin and cout. Cout and cin use ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, just you have to write cout, for example a. If you write like this, means whatever data will be stored in a, that will be displayed. Okay, then what is the use of select operation? Select operation is used to accessing the data. Okay, in a data structure, used to how to accessing data in program by using cout and cin statement. Okay, this is what this is a select operation. Then fourth one is a update. Update operation. Update operation, it is used to update. Okay, update the data structure, data in the data structure. How to update the data in the data structure? For example, I am writing int x equal to 2. I want to update this number 2 into ನಾನು next time ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ int x equal to 4. Then ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದ ಡಾಟಾ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಾಟಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ x equal to 2 ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು int x equal to 4 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಾಟಾ. ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ automatically, it updating the value. That is called update operation. Update operation means it is used, this operation is used to update our data in the data structure. Update the data in the data structure, that is called update operation. There are 4 operations we have. There are 4 operations can be done by primitive data structure. One is create, destroy, select and update operations. Okay, this is you have to remember, these are the operations. What is primitive data structure? Nothing but these are built-in data types, these are fundamental data types. Without these primitive data structure, we cannot write any programs, we cannot execute any programs. Already you know. Okay, already you are executing so many programs in first year also. Okay, see, this is a primitive data structure. Okay, then the operations on a primitive data structure. Okay, the next one is a non-primitive data structure. See, there are two types of data structure already I told you. See, one is a primitive, second one is a non-primitive. In primitive data structure already I completed the operations on primitive data structure. Now, what is non-primitive data structure? Non-primitive data structure is opposite. Okay, can be directly operated by machine level instruction, but it is cannot be directly operated by machine level instructions. It does not. These data structure cannot be understood by the computer. Cannot these machine level instruction cannot be understood by the machine level understand by the compiler or computer. Okay, this is your remember. Then what is non-primitive data structure? These data structure cannot be operated by machine level instruction. Cannot be operated by machine level instruction. Then in for example for primitive data structure, best example is array. Okay, array is the best example for non-primitive data structure. Idu question kedane, give any one name for use the example for non-primitive data structure. Array is the example for non-primitive data structure. Okay, see, non-primitive data structure can be write by using primitive data structure. Okay, primitive data structure use ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಿಮಿಟಿವ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅರೇನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಅರೇ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ a equal to 10. This is nothing but array, but this is nothing but primitive data structure. This is non-primitive data structure, this is primitive data structure. Int is a primitive data structure, but it is non-primitive data structure. Okay, if you want to write non-primitive data structure, must and should you use primitive data structure. Okay, primitive data structure use ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು non-primitive data structure ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that's why non-primitive data structure means what? It cannot be operated by machine level instruction. It cannot be understood by the compiler. If you want to understand must and should you have to use primitive data structure. Okay, this is what this is about a non-primitive data structure. Example for these array, string, stack ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, queue, then linked list. These are what? These are the best example for a non-primitive data structure. Okay, then what are the operations on non-primitive data structure? Every year this is a common question asked in the exam. See, explain what are the operations on non-primitive data structure. What are the operations on a non-primitive data structure? For it is asked for 5 marks. Okay, there are 5 operations we have. First one is a traversing operation. Traversing, sorting, searching, insertion, deletion. Okay, there are 5 operations we have. Okay, in these non-primitive data structure, one by one you want to study it. Okay, you have 5 lab programs on these every operations. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ lab programs ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ operations ಮೇಲೆ you have algorithm also for these operations. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ algorithms ಇರುತ್ತೆ, you have lab programs, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು operations ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ lab program ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, first one is what is traversing. Traversing means what? Traversing means is a process of exactly see the visiting element exactly once. Visiting element. What is traversing? Traversing means in a program the element will be travel from one point to another point. Okay, means what? It is a traversing means it is a process of visiting each element exactly once. Visiting each element exactly once, that is called what? Traversing ಅಂತಾರೆ. For loop, for example, for loop ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, do while loop ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Okay, first time the element will be comes, then it goes to for loop, then the operation will be continue many times. That is called traversing. The element will be travel, okay, from one point to another point in a program. That is called what? Traversing. Okay, then the second one is what is sorting. You know already sorting nothing but arranging the elements in ascending or descending order. For example, sorting means I am writing, for example, I am writing 20, 10, then 5. How to sort this? how to sort this element in ascending order. First 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 10, ಆಮೇಲೆ 20. This is called sorting. How to sort this? How to sort this? By using a non-primitive data structure you have to sort. Okay, data structure use ಮಾಡಿ sort ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next class we will discuss. Now you have to know the what is the definitions. Definitions means what is sorting. It is a process of sorting the elements in a descending order or ascending order, arranging the elements in a ascending or descending order. That is called what? Sorting. Searching. What is searching? Searching means, for example, in computer you have to search any file. How it's possible? Because of this searching operation. What is searching? Searching means what? Searching means I want to search 10 element where it will be stored. I want to know the location of this 10. Okay, 10 on the element ಎಲ್ಲಿ store ಆಗಿದೆ. For example, this is stored in A of 0, this is stored in A of 1, this is stored in A of 2. Okay, where the element will be 10 element will be stored. ಎಲ್ಲಿ store ಇದೆ? It is stored in A of 1. That is called searching. Searching means what? For example, in mobile also we have to use a searching option. See, you have one logo for search option. Okay, if you want any contact number, you have to just click on this search button. Search button, you are searching so many contacts. Okay, search ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. How it is possible? Because of this searching operation. Okay, searching operation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? See, where our element will be stored. It is searching our location of element. It is search our location of element. That method is called as searching ಅಂತಾರೆ. Searching means it is a process of finding the location of a element, location of a file. That is called what? Searching. Okay, the next one is see, insertion. What is insertion? Insertion means when you are writing MS Word, you are insert any image in MS Word, you are inserting any words, when you inserting any characters in MS Word. How it is possible? Because it is possible because of insertion operation. Insertion means what? It is a process of, see, insert a data in a data structure. Okay, you have to insert. For example, I have this see here I have 30, 20, then for example 5. I want to insert 10 here in this location. Then 10 you can insert. First 30, 10, after that 20, then 5. The 10 will be inserted easily. 10 will be inserted in the data structure. That operation is called insertion. Insertion nothing but the process of insert an element into the data structure. Okay, data structure ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 insert ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು next position ಗೆ 20 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Got it? Okay, this is what is the insertion. The last operation is called deletion. What is deletion? Deletion means I want to delete this element 10 ಅನ್ನು delete ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. delete ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 20 will comes to 10th position. Okay, it comes to here. It comes to from higher order to lower order. Okay, that is called a deletion. Your deletion means you are deleting the element from the data structure. It is a process of deleting the element on the data structure. That is called that is called deletion. There are 5 operations we have in a non-primitive data structure. There are 5 operations: traversing, sorting, searching, insertion and deletion. Okay, one by one you have to study it clearly with algorithm and lab program. Okay, you can study it, and you have so many problems on these. You can study it. Okay, just now you have to know the definitions. I am sending a notes. Please, you have to see the notes, then only you can understand. Okay, after seeing the video, just you have to read these your notes and watch this video compulsorily. Definitely you can understand this. Okay, the today class we have to discuss about what? See, today class we discuss about the types of data structure. There are 2 types. One is primitive data structure, then the second one is a non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structure operations, non-primitive data structure operations. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, this is what these are the classification of a data structure. Okay, this is what next class we discuss about the next topic. Thank you for watching this video.